Welcome to Progressive Hypnosis. This is Helen Ryan. I am about to guide you into a deep state of relaxation where you will experience a wonderful calmness. It will ease away anxiety, stress, and worry. Let's begin by getting comfortable, finding a nice place to sit or lie down, and shifting your body to find the place of most comfort. Allow your eyelids to close, shutting out the external world. Take a moment to acknowledge to yourself that it is okay for you to take this time out. You deserve it. Set your intention to relax, to release any tightness in the body, and let go of any busyness in the mind. Taking your focus to the breath, breathing in deep through the nose, and releasing the breath through the mouth. Like a big sigh, just letting it out. Notice how the shoulders drop with a sigh outwards and all across the back of the shoulders, and the neck begins to loosen. Repeating the breath 2 more times now. Just breathe as you will. Allow the sounds of the birds chirping to calm your mind. Any thoughts and internal mental chatter will begin to quieten down as you focus on listening to the chirping and the tweeting of the birds. And now that the mind is embracing the quiet calmness, the body is softening and letting go. As you hear the ebb and flow of the chattering birds, you'll find your mind gently quietening further. The natural sounds of the birds and nature, enhancing the feelings of pleasant calmness within. Breathing in the cool, fresh air. breathing out tightness and tension. The body softening. Releasing fully. Allow the sounds of nature and the birds to float through you, transporting you closer to your ultimate state of relaxation. I am about to count down from 5 to 0. With each number, you will feel more and more relaxed until you reach your own sense of absolute and delightful relaxation. 5, feeling more relaxed. 4, allowing the contented chatter of the birds to calm your mind. 3, very light and very relaxed. 2, so deeply relaxed. 1, the mind is calm, the body is at ease. 0, feel the delightful sense of deep calm and relaxation through your whole mind and body. Allow yourself to connect with the birds and the sounds of nature. Allow yourself to be in total peace. Take a few moments to float, to drift, and to relish this wonderful state of deep relaxation, the peaceful, calm mind, the loose and relaxed body. Savor the sounds of nature and the birds as they continue to relax every part of you. And you may like to continue to enjoy this deeply relaxed and calm state for a while longer. If so, just continue to enjoy the sounds of nature at your comfort. When you are ready to resume your day, just come back to where you are. Take a few deep breaths. Ease open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes to re-alert yourself. Your relaxed body and feelings of deep inner peace will come back with you, and you can enjoy them throughout the rest of your day.